Have you ever looked at the Great Pyramid of Giza and just wondered, how? How did an ancient civilization, without our modern technology, build something so massive, so precise, and so enduring? For thousands of years, these pyramids have guarded their secrets, standing as silent monuments to a lost world. But today, we're pulling back the sands of time. We're going to explore the most mind-blowing secrets of the Egyptian pyramids, from their construction to their celestial alignments, and the hidden chambers still being discovered. This isn't just a story of stone and sand. It's a story of human ingenuity, cosmic belief, and enduring mystery. Let's start with the biggest question. How were they built? Forget the Hollywood image of countless slaves being whipped under the hot sun. The evidence actually points to something far more fascinating. Archaeologists have discovered the remains of a purpose-built village near the pyramids. The bones found there show that the workers were well fed, receiving prime cuts of meat. Their skeletons also show signs of healed fractures and medical care, suggesting they were highly valued, skilled laborers, not disposable slaves. They were organized, respected, and part of a massive national project, almost like a divine mission. So, how did these skilled workers move those colossal stones? Some blocks in the Great Pyramid weigh up to 80 tons. For a long time, the prevailing theory was that they used giant ramps. But what kind of ramp? A long straight one would have needed to be over a mile long to reach the top, an impossibly huge structure itself. Some experts now propose a more elegant solution, an internal ramp. Imagine a spiral staircase, corkscrewing up inside the pyramid itself. A recent cosmic ray scan, called the Scan Pyramids Project, detected a large mysterious void just above the Grand Gallery. Could this be evidence of that hidden internal ramp? A construction highway sealed up for millennia. It's a tantalizing possibility that would rewrite the textbooks. Another clever technique they likely used involved water. A recently discovered papyrus, the diary of an official named Mera, provides a first-hand account of transporting limestone blocks from a quarry to the Giza plateau. It describes how his crew dug canals, diverting water from the Nile to create a port right at the base of the pyramids. They would float the massive stones on boats, bringing them directly to the construction site. It wasn't just brute force. It was brilliant engineering and water management. They literally moved mountains by making the desert float. But the pyramids weren't just tombs. They were cosmic engines designed to launch the Pharaoh's soul into the stars. The level of precision is staggering. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the 4 cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west, with an accuracy better than 1/15 of a degree. How did they achieve this without a compass? They were master astronomers. They likely used the stars, tracking their movements to find true north. One method, called the pole star method, involves watching a single star circle the celestial pole and bisecting the angle to find the center. It's a simple concept that requires immense patience and a deep understanding of the night sky. This cosmic connection goes even deeper. Have you heard of the Orion correlation theory? It suggests that the layout of the 3 main pyramids at Giza, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, is a deliberate mirror image of the 3 stars in Orion's belt. The size of each pyramid even seems to correspond to the brightness of its matching star. Furthermore, the position of the pyramids relative to the Nile River mirrors the position of Orion's belt relative to the Milky Way galaxy. For the ancient Egyptians, the god Osiris was associated with the Orion constellation. By recreating the heavens on Earth, they were creating a powerful magical landscape, a gateway for the pharaoh to ascend and join Osiris in the afterlife. And the mysteries don't stop on the outside. Inside, the pyramids are a labyrinth of passages and chambers. some with purposes we still don't fully understand. Take the so-called air shafts in the Great Pyramid's queens and kings' chambers. For a long time, they were thought to be for ventilation, but that makes no sense. They were sealed at both ends. Modern robotic explorations have sent tiny cameras up these shafts. In the Queen's Chamber shaft, one robot encountered a small limestone door with 2 copper handles. After drilling through it, they found another door. What lies behind it? A hidden chamber, a symbolic barrier for the Pharaoh's soul? We still don't know. These shafts aren't aimed at the air, they're aimed at the stars. The southern shaft from the King's Chamber points directly to Orion's belt, and the northern one points to what was then the pole star, connecting the Pharaoh's resting place directly with the eternal cosmos. But perhaps the greatest secret is one that's hidden in plain sight. The mathematical genius encoded in the pyramid's dimensions. If you take the perimeter of the Great Pyramid and divide it by twice its height, you get a number that is remarkably close to pi, 3.144159. Did the Egyptians know pi thousands of years before the Greeks? Or is it a coincidence of geometry? Furthermore, the pyramid's height, when multiplied by 1 billion, is almost the exact distance from the Earth to the Sun. Coincidence? Or were the builders encoding a profound knowledge of our world and our solar system into their monument? Skeptics argue these are just numerological games, but the sheer number of these geometric and astronomical correlations is hard to ignore. In recent years, new technology is unlocking even more secrets. The Scan Pyramids project, using advanced particle physics, has given us a non-invasive way to peer inside the stone. Besides the large void that might be the internal ramp, they also found a smaller, previously unknown corridor right behind the main entrance. Its purpose is a complete mystery. Is it a structural feature to distribute weight, or does it lead to something else entirely? Every new discovery like this just opens up a dozen new questions. The pyramid is like a giant puzzle box, and we're only just beginning to find the keys. From skilled, well-fed workers to ingenious water transport systems, and from celestial star alignments to hidden mathematical constants, the pyramids are so much more than piles of stone. They are a testament to what humanity can achieve when united by a powerful vision. They represent the pinnacle of ancient engineering, astronomy, and belief. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly know. These ancient wonders continue to challenge our understanding of the past and inspire awe in the present. The secrets are still out there, waiting in the stone and written in the stars. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the heart of ancient Egypt. What pyramid mystery fascinates you the most? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this exploration, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more adventures into the world's greatest mysteries. We'll see you in the next one.